or you can say this resistance variation is converted into 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and output is transmitted from here. You can use this output on PLC, you can use this output on any controller or any indicator. So this is the simple working of this transmitter. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss pressure measurement in instrumentation. So video is going to be very helpful for you, so don't skip the video. Look friends, when machines operate in factories and industries, then an essential factor is pressure monitoring. And measuring pressure correctly is very important. If we do not measure the pressure correctly, then what will happen? Then machine may fail. How machine may fail? Let's discuss. Look friends, every machine has a set limit for its pressure. And suppose we are not measuring the pressure correctly, then what will happen? Then pressure will increase. And if this pressure increases beyond this set limit, then machine may fail or there may be a shutdown. So complete system may be shut down. And look friends, due to this shutdown and due to this machine failure, accident may occur. So measuring pressure correctly is very important. One more important point is this: correct pressure measurement is equals to safe and efficient operations. When we measure pressure correctly, then operations will be safe and efficient. Look friends, when we measure pressure in instrumentation, then pressure transmitters are used for monitoring the pressure, for measuring the pressure, and for controlling the pressure. Then mainly two types of pressure transmitters are used. The first one is pen type pressure transmitter. Friends, this one is the pen type pressure transmitter because it looks like a pen, so we call it as pen type pressure transmitter. And the another pressure transmitter is smart pressure transmitter. This one is a smart pressure transmitter. This transmitter also has a display, and here you can see what parameter is going on in the process. And other than the parameter, it will also show some other informations. Friends, first we will discuss this pen type pressure transmitter. Friends, it is a basic and simple device, and that measures pressure and converts into an electrical signal. It measures pressure. It is installed where we need to measure the pressure, and its output is an electrical signal, and this electrical signal is nothing but 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Next, look friends, this transmitter has an old traditional device, and this transmitter has been used in industries for a long time. Industries are using this transmitter for a long time. Now let's discuss some key features of this transmitter. First key feature is its simple design. As the name suggests, the design and working mechanism of this transmitter is very simple. Here you can see pen type pressure transmitter looks like this, and from here connections are made. Here, look friends, two wire connections are used for this transmitter. Two wire means two wires, only two wires are used for supply and signal. Here you can see this one is its sensing part. Here sensor remains, and from here it is inserted into the process. Where we want to measure the pressure, we will insert this transmitter from this part. And here you will find its range is written, and also its output is written. So its design is very simple and we will discuss its working mechanism also. Look friends, it contains a sensing element that detects pressure. We have discussed that here it contains the sensing element or sensor. Because it is inserted from here into the process, so from here it detects the pressure. I think it is clear to you. Now look friends, this is an important point. Please note it down. The transmitter sensor detects pressure and the transmitter generates a corresponding 4 to 20 milliampere signal. From here, pressure is detected. And from here, signal is generated. Now I think it is clear to you from where it detects the pressure and from where the signal is generated, and this generated signal is nothing but 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Now friends, let's take an example. Suppose the range of transmitter is 0 to 10 bar. So you can find here range is written. So if the transmitter range is 0 to 10 bar, so here you will find 0 to 10 bar is written. Okay. Now the transmitter output is 4 to 20 milliampere signal. So at 0 bar the output will be 4 milliampere and at 10 bar the output will be 20 milliampere. Now friends, the values in between are proportional. What does it mean? It means that at 0 bar the output is 4 milliampere. At 10 bar the output is 20 milliampere. Now what about the in between values 4 and 20 milliampere? At 4 it is 0, at 20 it is 10. Now at 12 milliampere it is 5 bar. And at 8 milliampere it is 2.5 bar. And at 16 milliampere it is 7.5 bar. So the values in between are proportional according to this table. I think it is clear to you. Now another important part is display function. Look friends, some transmitters have a small display attached with them, as you can see in this transmitter. Now the transmitters with local display can show real-time pressure values via a digital screen. So here you can see the real-time pressure value. Here you can see it is 1.600. That means real-time pressure value is 1.600. Look friends, the display internally processes the same 4 to 20 milliampere signal to show the pressure value. The transmitter output is 4 to 20 milliampere signal that is given from here, and this 4 to 20 milliampere is also shown here on the display. And according to this 4 to 20 milliampere signal, the pressure value is shown here. Okay. Look friends, some models have a unit conversion option. If you are showing unit as bar here, suppose you are showing bar here, so in some models you also have an option of unit change. That means you can change it into PSI, You can change it into kg per centimeter square, and you can change it in some other unit also. Now we will discuss the working principle of pen type transmitter. Look friends, pressure transmitter working principle is asked in many interviews. Now friends, this device operates on strain gauge principle. Please note it down. Its working principle is strain gauge principle. Now let's discuss what is this strain gauge principle. Look friends, as we have discussed, it has a sensing element. Here, this transmitter has a sensing element, and this element or this sensing element compresses or stretches based on the pressure changes. As pressure increases, when pressure increases, this sensing element will stretch, and when pressure will decrease, this sensing element will compress. When friends sensing element stretches, its resistance changes. It is an important point. Please note it down. When sensing element stretches, its electrical resistance changes. Now friends, this resistance variation or this resistance change is measured to determine the pressure value. Or you can say this resistance variation is converted into 4 to 20 milliampere signal, and output is transmitted from here. You can use this output on PLC, you can use this output on any controller or any indicator. So this is the simple working of this transmitter. Suppose we have a rubber band, and when we stretch it, it will change its shape. Its shape will change. Similarly, here when the sensing element is stretched, its shape will change. Similarly, a pen type transmitter works in the same way. Now, if we talk about its accuracy, then its accuracy is moderate. That means here you can write it down as its accuracy is in between high and low. So it has a moderate accuracy. Look friends, it is not designed for high accuracy and precision work. So it is also an important point. You can note it down. Look friends, for high accuracy and precision work, we will use smart transmitters. Or where high accuracy or precision is not required, then we will use this type of transmitter. I think it is clear to you. Now friends, we will discuss smart pressure transmitter. Look friends, it is a modern and advanced device, and it is not limited to just measuring the pressure. It is an important point, and it is the main difference between smart transmitter and pen type transmitter. Because this transmitter is not limited to just measuring the pressure. Pen type pressure transmitter is limited to just measuring the pressure only. Okay, but this transmitter also processes signal to provide additional useful information. It also provides some additional useful information. As you can see here, this transmitter also show the percentage output. Here you can see easily how much output percentage of signal is going, or how much output percentage of signal is transmitting by this transmitter. And you can also see milliamperes is also written here. How much milliamperes are generated by this transmitter. We will also discuss some more differences between pen type transmitter and this smart transmitter later on in this video. Now, suppose we are monitoring the pressure. So, we will discuss when we will monitor the pressure by using pen type transmitter, and after that by using this smart transmitter. So friends, if we are using the pen type transmitter, then it will show you the pressure value as we have discussed. For example, a fixed reading like 5 bar, 10 bar or whatever is the pressure between 0 to 10 bar. It will show you on here on the display. The transmitter having the display also transmit this value to any PLC, any controller or any indicator. But when we will use smart transmitters, then it will provide additional details along with the pressure readings. Now we will discuss what are these additional details. Look friends, smart transmitters can transmit data via analog and digital protocols. So it is an important point. Please note it down. And the another difference is smart transmitters can adjust pressure measurement based on temperature and other environment conditions for high accuracy. What does it mean? It means that for high accuracy, the smart transmitters provide temperature compensation and other environmental conditions compensation also, like density compensation. But in these type of transmitters, this feature is not available. So this is the big advantage of using smart transmitter. Look friends, it is an also important point. Smart transmitters allow using HART communicator. By using HART communicator in smart transmitters, we can configure and troubleshoot the device. So HART communicators can be used with these type of transmitters, with smart transmitters. But in most of the pen type transmitters, HART communicator is not used. So this was our video. Thanks for watching.